What do you think? Is snoring a sign of good sleep? Well, let me tell you and assure you that snoring is not a sign of good sleep. Snoring usually occurs when there is resistance to the passage of air when we breathe in. That means the airway is narrow. Thus, it is not a sign of good sleep. And now we also know that snoring over a period of time can or is associated with high chances of developing high blood pressure. Of course, in addition, snoring causes significantly affects the relationships and it has emotional, social consequences. People cannot travel in flights and trains, etc. When snoring is loud, it disturbs the others. So thus, please do not ignore snoring.